Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of File Explorer not responding on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the File Explorer process. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait till the list loads, right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then open MRT, which is the malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.